We are filming.
You want to be the narrator?
Sure. This is Evan's first non-breast milk food. Very exciting.
Let's see if he even opens his mouth.
Oh, I'm sure he will.
Watch.
Are you kidding?
Come here. You just, there you go. What do you think, huh? Did you get it down?
He swallowed a couple times.
Oh, good. Whoa. What is that, huh? He's like totally indifferent to it. Go for
Look,
it.
yeah, it's okay. I was hoping for steak.
Yeah, right. Not more? Yeah. Trying not to feed you hair, even though you get a lot of it every day, I know. What do you think, huh?
You get it?
The bib got it now.
Yeah.
I think it might be bath night.
I mean, every night's gonna be bath night now.
I know it. Oh, almost. Try to keep it on the tip of the spoon a little bit. Want more? Did you swallow? Good kiddo. Yummers. I wish I knew what he was thinking right now. Want some more? What do you think of this? You are so friggin' cute. You know that? Well, I'd say it's successful so far.
Yeah.
He sure opens right up for it. What do you think? Like, I want to put my hand in it, probably.
Yeah.
I wonder how much of this he'll eat. You just keep shoveling it in, huh?
Oh, but Daddy wants to turn.
You want some?
No, I want to eat him.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Sorry, I'll let you go now. Hogging the baby here.
Right. Maybe Daddy shouldn't have it. Alright. Try that again. Yeah, wow.
It's a whole new...
Yeah.
what am I trying to say? Whole new set of coordinating skills.
Yeah. He doesn't open his mouth very wide, does he?
Nope, not too wide.
Smells like peas.
It tastes sweet.
More?
It tastes just like the breast milk, really. And rice is kind of sweet, too. Yummers.
Wow.
I can see why this is good stuff to start with.
Cool.
Yay. You're doing a great job, kiddo. You are doing a great job.
We're almost done.
Grandma and Grandpa are gonna love to see this. Okay, last one.
Yay!
I'm sure glad you thought of the bib.
I'm sure glad we have like 400 of them.
Now we can just tip it.
No, yeah, lick it clean. That's my boy. Yay! Good job, Bobby. Good job. This is exciting, huh? He's like, yeah, it's alright. Alright, that's that.
The other one.
He's looking like right over here. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.